first project, Medieval 2, and we did the expansion kingdoms, and now we're taking all of that learning and looking at the console market. So we're deep into a secret project. With the support of Sega, we should have some exciting stuff to announce in the coming months.
Best thing about working at the Creative Assembly is you get to work on new and innovative IP.
They're making games in a way that I wanted to try making games.
Good times, good places to go, generally good atmosphere.
The other staff that work here, everybody's just so cool and so helpful.
It's good working here at Creative Assembly because you get to stay in Brisbane, in Queensland. You get kind of the good weather and also to work on some cool games.
Medieval 2 challenges you to take control of one of 17 great kingdoms and lead it through 5 centuries of medieval conflict to total domination. Build massive castles, develop vast cities, and control your economy and your people. Raise huge armies and lead them to war. Fight spectacular, real-time battles on massive, realistic battlefields. To achieve victory, you will use diplomacy and trade. Make deals, forge alliances, build monopolies, buy, sell, and betray. You will encounter religion and power. Spread your faith. Deal with heresy. Elect the Pope. Start crusades. Develop your technology. Conquer a vast empire. Encounter other civilizations. And discover the new world. Conquer the Grand Campaign. Or fight historical battles. Create your own custom battles. Or battle your friends online. This is an age of darkness. This is Medieval 2 Total War.